cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. After this, we're gonna be heading to a wild ass takeover. For right now, we're gonna swing by Saddle Ranch to get a little bit of bottomless mimosas. They have sales going on right now, so you get to drink as many as you want until you drop right now. Here we go. We got more here coming in. Thank you, sir. That show us what that mouth do. Go. Show me what that mouth do. Show me. He heard what I was saying. He started laughing.
He didn't stop it.
We already seen her drinking the mimosa when I asked her what that mouth do. Now I want to see what that mouth do when it comes to eating tacos. And that's exactly how she eats eggplant. Getting a pre-turn up before the car meet, guys, so stay tuned for the video that's gonna come in a little bit. Is the floor so wet right now, guys, that it's so easy for anybody to lose control right now? It looks so smooth like butter right now because the floor is like hella wet, guys, so it actually looks really nice and easy.
Come on.
You can't really even hear the sound of the tires. Also, when the tires are wet, it doesn't throw any smoke. It does it so smooth, guys.
Come on.
So we put up to the next location, and this is exactly what I see. We see a 4-door Tacuache truck burning out and getting wild as fuck. What happened? It's a cow. Chill. No mames.
Hey, I'm back, King Fresh.
What's up, bro? What's up?
Hell yeah, that's right.
I think he's trying to honk, but I don't think he has a honk. Hey, give that Jeep a ticket! Man, this guy makes it look so perfect, look! got the beautiful SS right there. Okay. Okay guys, so it's starting to rain officially, like it's pouring as fuck right now. I'm getting wet, like we all wet right now, but the cars will keep going at it right now. It's pouring out here right now from the one side, guys, and people are getting turned up. I'm wet as hell. Oh, we got the M3. Okay. Hey, this weather ain't stopping anybody. Everybody's out here right now having a good time. We got cars everywhere. We got the cop coming in hot. Everybody left the scene already. We got the cop right here. So everybody left. Fast and the Furious, baby. Vámonos. Hey, this spot for sure had to be one of my favorite spots right now. You're cracked as hell. One cop finally showed up right now. Damn, we just came to get one of my favorite slushies in the whole entire world right now. One of my favorite ones right now. Adding some gummy bears on it right now, so it's really good. Alright guys, so we're out here right now ordering at Jack in the Box with the microphone. Let's see if she understands.
Excuse me? Hello? Can you give me a second?
Of course, let me know when you're ready.
Okay.
Let me ask her something. Excuse me, I have a question. Do you guys have wet burritos here?
A Big Mac, a Big Mac.
No, just wet burritos, de asada.
No, sorry.
Can I get
What do you want?
4 tacos?
Of course.
Well done, well done.
Well done though, cause sometimes I come over here and that shit is like the lettuce is all falling out and shit.
Okay, well done, got it.
And can you get me like another small drink?
Strawberry Fanta.
Strawberry Fanta.
Okay, got it.
No ice and no cup.
No, I
I spent some days